Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Lightning Edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type Edges and download this app from this developer. Then open it and tap on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, click OK Creative and close an ad. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size and even adjust it to the notch. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, pick one of these sources like photos. Select a photo, adjust it and click at the top right corner. Click Create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose Enable Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, you can always come back into the app, click on Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Now tap Yes and find this app over here. I got it, so all I need to do is click on the switcher next to it and go back. Then click on the switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!